Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Guy Hub. And today I'll be talking about how to, get Sika Kokoo on AirtelTigo. So if you are thinking of doing Sika Kokoo on AirtelTigo or AT Ghana, then this video is for you. So first of all, dial the USSD code *111 hash. So dial this code, and select option 4. That's the Sika Kokoo and other data bundles. So option 4, Sika Kokoo, and select 1, Sika Kokoo. So in here, this is the offer that you've been given. So choose the one that you prefer. So from the list, choose the one that you prefer. So after you are done with that, if you want to gift it to someone, you select gift it. If you want to buy it for yourself, then you select 1. So 1 to buy for yourself and 2 to give to someone. So after you're done with that, you can buy with loan, you can buy with AT money, or you can buy via using your airtime account. So you can buy using your airtime account. So to use your airtime account, select 1. And that's it. So that's how simple and easy it is to buy Sika Kokoo on your Airtel Tigo SIM or AT Ghana. So if you find this video useful and helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and also give a sweet comment. See you in the next video.